It's time now for our digital life hack tip of the week. Every week we put one of these together for you. And this week, the latest top-of-the-line smartphones can cost anywhere from $700 to, well over $1,500. And the prices are even higher for laptops, reaching past $2,000. Tablets like iPads, well, you know that, they're pricey too. The point being, tech is not cheap. And nowadays, you're not just buying a new gadget, you're making an investment. And as we all know, investments are things that you have to take care of, you have to protect. So if you want to make sure that that expensive new device that you've invested lasts longer, what you have to do is take care of it and avoid these 5 mistakes that will curtail your smartphone device's lifespan, starting with number 1. Don't be a cheapskate. I mean, most of us fail to realize that the charging cable and everything that came in that box is there for a reason. So you lose it, it gets frayed, and all of a sudden you go onto Amazon.com and you're going, well, should I buy the $20 cable or should I buy the $3 cable? Let's buy the $3 cable. No, not so much. A woman in Louisiana said her generic iPhone charger had caused a fire in her bed, burning both her sheets and her arms. The lesson: spend a little more on getting a replacement charger and cable from the device's manufacturer. Number 2, you want to be 100% all the time. While the newer batteries, the lithium-ion batteries, polymer smartphone, laptop, tablet batteries are huge improvements, don't tempt fate. The rule of thumb is to keep your phone, your tablet, your laptop charged anywhere between 40 and 80%. That's where you want to be. Speaking of number 3 is don't be power hungry. This is an interesting one because when the newer generation of batteries reaches a maximum charge, they have mechanisms built in to prevent additional charging. Holds true for laptops, tablets, smartphones. So what you want to do is you go ahead and leave that charged all the time, but not your laptop because it's totally different technology in the battery. Number 4, playing with the elements. Here in Arizona, I have a tendency to bring my phone out by the pool, and then I come out of the pool and it says, sorry, you can't use your phone because it's too hot. Don't do that, especially if you live in Arizona. You want to keep it just as a regular temperature. Number 5 is being a pig pen. You want to clean it up every once in a while. We've got the right steps on how to do that, up to including your smartphones and using compressed air. And for all the exact steps on how to set your battery, which chargers are the best ones to buy, how to go ahead and properly care for your laptop and your smartphone, look no further than the official homepage of the Kim Komando Show. It's KOMANDO.com. And once you're there, hit that Show Picks button right on the homepage. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.